welcome to this introduction for 3D printing, and I'm going to take you through all the processes. So just a brief introduction to 3D printing. It's basically so you can mock up and manufacture ideas quickly and smartly, like the shoe brand has, to develop a new look for a shoe, a new type of shoe. They use it in fashion as well. They also use it in the medical industry, and it's starting to become more and more useful in the medical industry, and this has been used to make a cast that you can wear on your arm and still have a shower and those sorts of things if you break your arm. The other thing they use it in is other industries like motorbike manufacture, electric bike manufacture, and here you can see they've used a mixture of like a natural structure and 3D printed it to make an electric motorbike. But basically we started off something simple, so we'll be making a keyring design and then doing that on Tinkercad, which is an online tool to use. And once you've done that part, we'll then move through into printing that, and we have 3D printers here at school that you'll learn how to use, and the only way to learn is to do. And after that we will then print it out on the 3D printer, as you can see in front of you, and once you've done all that you would have finished your design cycle. So the idea here is to take an idea from a piece of paper through to a 3D model. Once you've done this video, can you answer the survey that's on the last clip, and go from there and start on tutorial 1, and you're underway.